what, like, I've been there before. I do feel that. And it's different for everyone. It shows up in their life in different ways. Maybe for some, it's not a depressive episode. Maybe for some, it's just avoiding that subject. It's avoiding that growth, that momentum that they need. And in me just being transparent and vulnerable about this, I've met and connected with so many people that are like, man, I would never think so. Because see, the thing is, nowadays, people only share the good times, right? The turn up or what's going well. But very infrequently do we see people posting up or sharing about that one time when things weren't good or the lowest point in their life. This, I have to say, has been the lowest point in my life. That and probably being in graduate school and having maybe like $50 left in my bank account and wondering how was I going to pay for gas, groceries, and rent the rest of that month. I didn't know. All I knew is that I was going to make it happen and I was going to pay for school cash. That's all I knew.